ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ABP ਸਾਂਝਾ ਜੋਸ਼ ਜਜ਼ਬਾ ਜਨੂਨ।
The government of Punjab has decided that from today onwards, me or my team members shall give you a regular and authentic update on the situation that has arisen due to the coronavirus spread. I request you not to pay any heed to false videos or rumors. To start with, I will update with you latest figures. The number of positive coronavirus cases detected in Punjab till now are 23. District-wise breakup is as follows: Shahid Bhagat Singh Nagar 15, SAS Nagar 5, Hoshiarpur 2, Amritsar 1. Out of these, one patient has unfortunately passed away. Rest 22 patients are in isolation wards and are stable. Remaining 18 districts of Punjab have not reported any positive coronavirus case till now. Number of symptomatic persons admitted in hospitals in the state of Punjab whose results are awaited are 45. Number of home quarantine persons in the state of Punjab is around 30,000. The state government is keeping a constant vigil on the situation, which because of its dynamic nature is changing rapidly. The Chief Minister of Punjab is in constant touch with Chief Minister of other states and with national authorities including the PMO with regards to major issues like closing of interstate movement, relaxing due dates related to financial compliances and the like. A group of ministers is constantly keeping an eye on the situation of Punjab and is regularly assessing the preparedness levels. On date, the state of Punjab is fully equipped with required isolation facilities, quarantine facilities, emergent health need facilities, masks, PPE kits, testing kits and the like. There is no need of any panic at all. However, it is requested that in view of the exponential spreading ability of the virus, which has been witnessed in past in many countries, it is absolutely essential that all citizens of Punjab cooperate fully with the state in containing this disease, because if the disease starts to explode and spread exponentially with a vertical rise, then the state facilities will not be able to cope up at the same pace with which the population may get affected. Since social distancing is of now the only solution available to fight the spread of virus, and since rush at many public places was still being noticed, and since many people have landed in Punjab from foreign countries in last few days, hence to curtail the spread of virus and to protect the lives of our citizens, the state has decided to impose complete curfew all over Punjab till further orders. However, the district magistrates have been authorized to give relaxations in cases of need and emergency. The state urges all its citizens to cooperate completely at this sensitive juncture and to follow the advice of the state with regards to remaining in your homes and practicing social distancing. In the end, I would like to request, if anyone feels the symptoms of this disease, which are cough, fever, difficulty in breathing, body ache, etc., then she or he, as a responsible citizen, may isolate himself in their houses and contact the nearest health facility immediately and call 104 simultaneously. It is reiterated that the state of Punjab is fully geared to meet this challenge. However, the support of each citizen of Punjab is essential to achieve this objective. If anyone has any problem, he or she can contact the 24/7 operational helpline 104 or can contact local district helpline, details of which are given in the homepage of www.pbhealth.gov.in.